Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, Ashik, give the question, Ashik.
Ma'am, if x is equal to -12 of the quadratic equation, 3x raised to 2 plus 2kx minus 3 is equal to 0, find k. Find the value of k.
Once again, repeat it. One more time, repeat it.
If x is equal to -12 in the quadratic equation,
Is a root,
3,
is it there in the word root? Root is there?
yes ma'am.
Read that one clearly then.
If x is equal to 12 is the root of the quadratic equation, 3x square plus 2kx minus 3 is equal to 0.
Minus 2kx minus 3.
Plus 2kx minus 3.
Equal to 0. You have to find k. Okay.
Find the value of k.
How to do this?
Ma'am, by giving -12 2x.
Negative 2x or 12x?
-12.
Negative 12. So when you put x3 into negative 12 the whole square, isn't it? In the place of x, we put negative 12. Okay. Minus 3 is 0. So what you will get? 3 into 144. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 24k minus 3 is 0, isn't it? So what is 3 into 144?
432.
432 minus 3 minus 24k is 0.
Ma'am, how minus 24k came, ma'am?
Two into minus 12. What is 2 into minus 12? 2 into negative 12. Will you be getting negative 24?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now 432 minus 3. What is 432 minus 3?
429.
429 minus 24k is 0. So we get minus 24k is negative 429. Okay, so k will, yes?
Ma'am, we should write this.
No need. Okay, he asked one doubt. So this is your assignment question. He asked one doubt. So I'm clarifying that one. Okay, when you simplify this, you will get the answer. Okay, is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, children. Okay, he asked one doubt in quadratic. Okay, yesterday I have sent one assignment question worksheet in quadratic. Okay, be ready for submitting it. Complete it and make it ready for submitting.
Ma'am, when should we submit it?
Finish it and keep it in your folder. Okay, one day will be, yes.
Ma'am, but the answers are already there.
Yes, answers, let it be there. Once you finish it, you can check it. Are you getting that answers or not? Only final answer is there, isn't it? Final answer, I have given that. If you finish it, you can check your answer. Is it correct or not? To check your answers only, it is given. Okay. Only final answer is there, isn't it? Not steps and all is not there. Final answer is there for your checking. You can check it. If you are not getting, some mistakes will be there. So you can cross check it again. What is the mistake? So do the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Once you complete that assignment, staple it and keep it in your folder. Okay. And it will be collected. One day will be, SR will be informing one day. That day you have to submit all these assignments. So till now, 3 assignments were given. In 3 chapters, 3 assignments were given. Okay, I think we can start. In the last class, we discussed about nth term, isn't it? General term. Nth term is otherwise called the general term. Haya, give me the nth term of an AP. What is the nth term of the AP? Haya. Can you give the nth term of the AP? Yes, it is nth term.
First term a n is equal to a plus n minus into d.
an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term is given by a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term is given by, okay. So if the first term is a and the common difference is d, then the nth term, okay, if a is the first term and d is the common difference, and d is the common difference, then nth term is given by an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term is given by a plus n minus 1 into d. Now using this identity, using this formula, Hadi Amin, what will be the 10th term? Can you give me what is A10?
A, yeah.
Hmm.
A,
Yes.
plus
Ah,
10 B.
is it 10? Look at here. If it is n, we are reducing by 1. So if it is 10, we should reduce 10 by 1.
A minus a minus 10 9 a9.
A plus 9d. Okay, it is a plus 9d. Melvin, what will be A19? A plus 18d. Good. Next. Rosebi, what will be A50? A50.
A plus 14B.
14, see 50, 50. So A50 will be
A plus 49D.
very good. Next, Arjun. What will be AM, Arjun? What will be AM?
A plus
A plus.
ND.
Look at here. N means we are writing n minus 1. So what will be AM?
minus 1D.
M
minus 1d.
1 into D. A plus M minus 1 into D. Okay. Hein Steve, what will be AP? What will be AP? Hein Steve? What will be AP? Hein Steve?
Should we write this?
Yes, write it. Okay, just for your, okay, it's some examples. How to write the general term. You're writing some example. So what is AP? I think he meant. Surya, give me AP. What is AP? Surya. Yes, Surya. What will be AP? Yes, Surya.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes,
a minus. Ma'am, can you say one more time?
AP. AP. If it is AN, A plus N minus 1 into D. So it will be AP.
A plus p minus 1 into d.
Okay. A plus P minus 1 into D. A plus P minus 1 into D. Vishnu Vivi, what will be AR? What will be AR? Vishnu. Vishnu, what is AR? What is AR? What is AR? Vishnu. What is AR? Nas Parveen, what is AR?
AR equals A plus R minus 1 into D.
A plus R minus 1 into D.
D.
Very good. A plus R minus 1 into D. Is it clear, children? The notation
Yes,
is it
ma'am.
okay? Is the notation okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it okay, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. Is it okay? You copied this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now write the next heading. Write the next problem. We are going to do problems based on this nth term. We are going to do the problems based on nth term. Write the question. Find the 30th term of the AP. 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 10, 7, 4, etc. Find the 30th term of the AP. 10, 7, 4, etc. So look at this AP. Looking at this AP, can you tell me, is it an increasing sequence or decreasing one?
Increasing.
Is it increasing?
Decreasing.
Decreasing, isn't it?
Ma'am,
Okay.
decreasing.
Yes, it is a decreasing sequence. Whenever the sequence is decreasing, what can you say about the common difference?
Minus negative number.
It will be a negative number. Okay. Whenever it is a decreasing sequence, common difference will be negative. Okay. So once this question is given, we are going to write the solution. Okay. How to solve it. Okay. So we should write what are the things given in the question. Okay. So what are the things given here? From the sequence, can you tell me what is A? Vishnu Priya, what is A?
10.
10. A is 10. What about the common difference, children? What is the common difference? D,
Negative 3.
negative 3. Very good. It is 7 minus 10. Second term minus first term. It is minus 3. What we have to find? We want to find the 30th term. A30 is equal to question mark. A30 is equal to question mark. We want to find A30. So what is the formula to find A30? A30 is, what is the formula? What is AN? AN is A plus N minus 1 D.
into D.
So what will be A30? What will be A30? A plus 1 less than that one, isn't it? 1 less than N. If N is 30, we should write N minus 1. So A plus, children,
30 minus 1.
29D. A plus 29D, isn't it? Now substitute the values. What is A? 10 plus 29 into negative 3. 10 plus 29 into negative 3. That is 10. See, first we should do the multiplication. Don't add these two and make mistake. First we should do the multiplication. What is 29 into negative 3?
Yes, ma'am.
What is 29 into negative 3?
Negative 16.
29 into
Negative
minus
60.
3? 60. Yes. Negative?
97.
It is 87, isn't it? So now what is 10 minus 87? What is 10 minus 87?
Minus 77.
Yes, it is negative 77. So A30 is negative 77. Is it okay? And Mary, be able to follow this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Children, is this part okay? The question is
Yes,
find the 30th term, 30th term of the AP. Once the AP is given, write down what is A, what is the common difference. A is 10. What is the common difference? Second term minus
Ma'am.
first. 7
Ma'am,
minus 10. Yes,
should we write it?
yes, these are the problems we are doing. Okay, what all the questions we are discussing in the class, you should copy it in your notebook. Okay, A is 10, common difference is minus 3. We want to find A30. What is A30? A plus 29D. Substitute the values of A and D. A is 10 plus 29 into minus 3. So 10 minus 87. So which is negative 77. Okay. Is it okay?
Ma'am, will you show the screen?
What about this children? Nas Parveen? Adidev, he said he is having some mistake in network. What about Ashik? What about Johan, Pratyush, Surya, Vishnu VV, Savio? Why your videos are off?
Ma'am, I am not using my laptop. It's
Okay.
not working properly. So I'm
Okay.
using mobile data and phone. That's why, ma'am.
If you have some excuses, okay, if you have some excuses, you should get the permission. You simply keep your, okay,
Yes,
look at
ma'am.
your Johan, video is always off. Surya,
Ma'am, I told it from the beginning of the class.
okay, okay.
Through
What about
message.
Johan? Why your video is off, Johan? What about Vishnu? Vishnu, I'm calling from the beginning. There is no response at all. Are you there? If you are not there,
Yes, ma'am.
why don't you keep your video on? Rosabi, Savio, Adil Mohammed, Pratyush. Is it okay? Okay, Haya, completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Write the next question, children. Write the next one. Find the 11th term of the AP. Find the 11th term of the AP. Find the 11th term of the AP. Minus 3, comma, minus 1 by 2, comma, 2, etc. Find the 11th term of the AP. Find the 11th term. How will you do this, children? How will you write the solution? How will you write the solution? So what are the things you will write here? Yes, tell me, Savio, what you will write here? If this is a problem.
A.
Very good. Very good. What is A here?
-3.
-3. Okay, before finding D, look at the sequence. Afsana, is it an increasing sequence or decreasing sequence? Afsana, look at the sequence and tell me, is it increasing sequence or decreasing sequence? Yes, Afsana, is it an increasing sequence or decreasing sequence? Yes, Rifa, tell me, Rifa, is it an increasing sequence or decreasing sequence?
Ma'am, increasing sequence.
Very good. It is an increasing sequence. If it is an increasing sequence, the common difference will be always positive. Isn't it? Now let us find out D. What is D? How to find the common difference? Second term minus first term. Minus 1 by 2 minus -3. Okay. Second term minus first term. Minus 1 by 2 minus -3. So it is same as minus 1 by 2 minus of minus. Negative of negative, it will become
Positive.
positive 3. So what is minus 1 by 2 plus 3? What is negative 1 by 2 plus 3? Yes, what is negative 1 by 2 plus
2 by
3?
3.
Is it positive 2 by 3 or
2 by
negative 2
3.
by 3?
Positive.
Positive.
Positive. So common difference is, look at here, is it, how will you get 2 by 3? Minus 1 plus 3 by 2. Yes, yes. You have to find LCM. When you take the LCM, what does it? You'll get 2, isn't it? So minus 1 plus 6. So what is it? What is the answer?
5 by
It is 5 by 2. Have you got the answer as 2 by positive 2 by 3 and all? Is it okay? Whenever we get fraction, what you have to do, we will take the LCM, isn't it? Here denominator is 2. So minus 1 plus 6 by 2. Minus 1 plus 6 by 2 is positive
Yes,
5
ma'am.
by 2. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Surya, is it correct, Surya? Surya, the D value, is it correct, Surya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now after this D, what we have to find here? What do you have to find? Our aim is to find the 11th term, isn't it? So A11 is equal to question mark.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you explain once more how we got the D?
How will you how to find D? D is A2 minus A1. Second term minus first term. What is the second term here? Minus 1 by 2. Minus A1 is minus 3. So negative of negative, it will become positive. So negative 1 by 2 plus 3. So we get negative 1 plus 6 by 2. So we get that as 5 by 2. Is it okay?
Right.
We get, okay, we take the common difference as second term minus first term. So what is A11? And Mary, what is A11?
22.
Melvin is giving the answer. Okay, let's check. And Mary, what is A11? How will you calculate?
A plus 11 minus 1 into D.
Yes, A plus 11 minus 1 into D, which is A plus 10 into D. Rizwan, when you substitute the values, what you will get, Rizwan? What is the value of A? Substitute the values and tell me, Rizwan, what is the next step?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, give the next step, Rizwan. Substitute the values and give the next step. Yes, Rizwan. Okay, Nirubama, tell me, Nirubama, what's the next step?
Substitute the value
Okay, when you substitute it, what you will get?
negative 3 plus
Hmm.
10 into 5 by 2.
5 by 2. Okay, then 10 into 5 by 2. So what is the next step? Aditya. Okay, cancel it. So we will get Aditya. Yes, Krishna. Give me.
5
Ah.
negative 3 plus
Ah.
S Krishna only.
Yes, you give the answer. Okay.
Negative 3 plus 25. That
is
22.
2.
22.
So A11 is 22. Melvin, your answer is correct. Okay. A11 is A plus 10 into D. Substitute the values and we find. Substitute it and we are finding the values. Okay. Is it okay, children? How to find the nth term? Is it okay? Any doubt in this part? John?
Ma'am, will you show the screen?
Yes. 1 second. What about
No
John?
doubt, ma'am.
What about John?
No, ma'am.
Pia? Is it okay? Are you able to follow this one? Is the method okay? Haya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Vishnu?
Yes, ma'am.
Vishnu Priya?
Yes,
Vishnu?
ma'am.
Vishnu
Yes,
Priya?
ma'am.
Now others, write the question, write the next question. Find the missing terms. Find the missing terms. Find the missing terms. Find the missing terms. Okay. Find the missing terms. Under that first question. Find the missing terms. Under that first one. 2, dash, 26. Find the missing terms in the AP, in the APs. Okay. AP. 2, dash, 26. 2, dash, 26. How to do this? Okay. Now listen, whenever we are given a question like this, okay, first step, what we are going to do, you first give the notations here. So here it is A1. A2 is not known. A3 is given. Is it correct? If you look into the sequence, first term is given, second term is not given, third term is given. So A1 is equal to A is equal to 2. A1 is equal to A is equal to 2. A2 is question mark. And A3 is given. What is A3? A3 is given as 26. So these are the things given. Is it okay? Is it okay? Once the sequence is given, from the given sequence, you write down what is A. Second term is not known. Third term is 26. Third term is 26. A3 is 26. Okay. So now our aim is to find A2. A2 means, what is A2, Prajot? A2, Prajot. What is A2? Yes, Prajot, okay. I think you can say, okay. Mute it, Prajot. Okay, I think Prajot, you can send the message in chat box. Okay. So what is 8-2? You're giving the answer. Okay, correct, Prajot. The answer is correct. What is 8-2? By definition, it is A plus B, isn't it? Second term is first term plus common difference. So first term is given. What is A? A is given as 2. 2 plus D. But what is D? We don't know. So once again, you start with A3. What is A3? A plus 2D is 26. Is it correct? A3 is given as 26. By definition, by applying the formula, what is A3? A plus 2D is 26. A is given. A value of A is 2. 2 plus 2D is 26. So what will be 2D? 2D is 26 minus 2, which is 24. 2D is 24. Therefore, what will be D? D is 24 by 2, which is 12. D is 24 by 2, which is 12. Okay. So in the question, first term is given. Second term, we want to find. A2 is question mark. A3 is given. We apply the formula. We apply the formula for nth term. A3 is A plus 2D. A is given as 2 plus 2D is 26. Plus 2 on transposing, you will get minus 2. So 2D is 26 minus 2, which is 24. So D is 24 by 2, which is 12. So common difference is 12. So once we get the common difference, you substitute it here. A2 is A plus D, which is 2 plus 12. So A2 is 14. Therefore, the missing term is 14. Therefore, the missing term is 14. You can write the answer. So the answer is 2, 14, 26. 2, 14, 26. 2, 14, 26. Is it okay? Is it clear, children?
Ma'am, and the end of the answer, we have to write that AP.
AP. What is given? That AP you can write. Okay, because we want to find the missing term. So what is the missing term here? Here it is 14. So 2, we are writing that what is the AP? 14, 26. Is it okay, Meghna? Is the method okay, Meghna? Is it okay? Hadi Amin? Hadi Amin, okay? Okay. So write the next one, the same question. Okay, all these things comes under the same question. Find the missing term. Missing terms, second question. Find the missing term, second question.
Yes, ma'am.
Second one. 5, dash, dash, 9, 1 by 2. 5, dash, dash, 9, 1 by 2. How to do this? Yes.
Ma'am, first term.
First we name this as, first you name this as A1, A2, A3, A4, isn't it? First you name it. A1, A2, A3, A4. Then Yes. Then first term,
A1 is equal to
Yeah.
5.
A1 is equal to A is equal to 5. Then A2 is question mark. A3 is question mark. We want to, okay, A4 is given. What is A4? 9 1 by 2. In mixed form, it is given. What is 9 1 by 2? Anjita, 9 1 by 2. When you convert in proper form.
19 by 2.
Yes, it is 19 by 2. Okay, so now start with A4. A4 is 19 by 2. What is meant by A4? By applying the formula. What is A4? Pia. What is A4, Pia?
A plus 3D.
Yes, A plus 3D is 19 by 2. The value of A is given, isn't it? A is given as 5. Substitute it. So 5 plus 3D is equal to 19 by 2. Therefore, 3D is equal to 19 by 2 minus 5. Plus 5 on transposing the other side, it will become negative 5. Plus 5 on transposing, it is negative 5. So it is, can you give me the value of D, children? What is the value of D? Write the next steps, take the LCM, simplify and give the value of D. Yes, Haya, give the value of D, Haya.
Nine by 2.
Yes?
9 by 2.
No, check your answer again.
19 by 2 by 3.
No, children, listen. First here you simplify this. First we should take the LCM here, isn't it? After that only we can bring this D here. So first 3D is equal to, here you take the LCM. When you take the LCM, what you will get? 19 minus 10 by 2. Okay. So what is 19 minus 10? 9 by 2. So 3D is 9 by 2. John, so what is the value of D, John? What is the value of D?
9 by 2 into 3.
9 by 2. Where this 3, where it will come? Is it in the numerator or denominator? Vishnupriya, where this 3 will go when you transpose it?
Numerator.
This is in multiplication, isn't it? On going that side, when you transpose it, multiplication on transposing, it will become
Division.
division. So it will be coming in the denominator. Okay, multiplication on transposing, it will become division. So here it will be coming in the denominator. So on 3 we can cancel. Therefore D is 3 by 2. Once you find the D, write it in the box. Now write down what is A2 and A3. A2 is A plus B. So it is 5 plus 3 by 2. So take the LCM. 5 into 2 is 10. It is 10 plus 3 by 2, which is 13 by 2. A2 is 13 by 2. Find out A3. What is A3? A plus
A plus A 2D.
2D. A plus 2D. What is the value of A?
2D.
A is 5
5.
plus 2 into, what is the value of D? We got 3 by 2. Now here, first we should do the multiplication, isn't it? 2 into 3 by 2. So this denominator 2 and numerator 2 will get cancelled. So we get 5 plus 3.
8.
So A3 is 8. Yes, correct. A3 is 8. A3 is 8. Therefore, The sequence is, you write the sequence 5, 13 by 2, 8, 9, 1 by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write the sequence. See, whenever you get fraction, be little careful. When you transpose it, multiplication on going that side, it will become division. Addition on transposing, it will become positive. Addition on going that side, it will become subtraction. Okay. Now here, 9 by 2 minus 5. We have to take the LCM first. And after that only, we can bring this 3 to other side. We can take the transpose after that. So 3, when you take it to other side, it will go to the denominator. So D is 3 by 2. Is it okay? Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
What about the others, Fia? John?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now try the next one. Try the next one. Try the next one. Minus 4, dash, dash, dash. 4 dashes. Then 6. Minus 4, dash, 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 6. So A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. So A1 is equal to A is minus 4. This is given. A2 is question mark. A3 is question mark. A4 question mark. A5 question mark. And A6 is given as 6. A6 is 6. So apply the formula and find out. A6 means A plus 5D is 6. A is given. A is given as minus 4. So minus 4 plus 5D is 6. So we can write 5D is equal to 6 plus 4, which is 10. So 5D is equal to 10. Therefore, D is 10 by 5, which is 2. Now complete the sequence. Okay, children, I want to mark the attendance. Complete this one. Okay, children, I hope you completed that one. Okay.
Ma'am, Aditya's Krishna is
I marked it. I marked that. Okay, Aditya, I marked. Okay, children. Okay, try to complete this. Say, is it okay, Fia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now after that, you complete the remaining. Find out what is A2, A3, A4, A5. Anybody got the answer? A2, A3, A4, A5?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, yes, isn't it? You'll be
Yes,
getting an
ma'am.
increasing sequence. Okay, children. Okay, so try to do some questions. Today I'll be sending some homework questions from this chapter. Try to do that questions as homework. Okay, yes, Nirupama's answer is correct. Okay, children, I end the session now. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.